Hi, my name is Sidovit Philvong, Senior Business Banker with Wells Fargo Bank and the official sponsor of Access to Capital Workshop. I'd like to invite you to our event Thursday, November 14th from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. to find out ways on how to grow and expand your business. I've been involved with business banking for the past 6 years, and I've worked with local business in the community to help them out with their account management, cash flow needs, lending needs, and business growth. I've done work with a lot of different industries, whether it be your local restaurants or transportation company or manufacturing company. I have a lot of experience in my belt to help with the growth of your business. So come on and join us Thursday, November 14th from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. to learn about different ways that not just Wells Fargo can help you grow your business, but also access to working capital can help you as well.